Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm cooking with the Ooni curry. A few weeks ago I bought the Ooni provisions box and it included many of the ingredients I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to be using the recipe that came with the box to make this pizza. Let's go make it. Here it is, just checking the temperature. I've just turned the temperature down a bit because the stone is really hot. I'd warmed it up with the gas on full, but it's just too hot. It's just waiting a second for that to go down. Maybe it's more than a second. Hopefully it's not more than a minute because my dough is sticking to my peel. I have to just keep wiggling it to check that it's still okay. I've had to add loads of excess semolina to it. I'm going to blow that bit off now. Yeah, just keep this sticking kind of just there. Okay, looking better. I think I'm going to put it in now, so I'm just going to turn the oven up. And we're ready to go, ready to launch. Here we go. Back to my dough. I've been using the bought Ooni sourdough recently, but I defrosted this overnight. Gosh, this is cooking really fast. Check it. Oh my gosh. I said I used a lot of semolina in there to stop it sticking. Done. Whew. excess semolina there to stop my dough sticking. Gonna give that bit a try, the base. It's hot, but I thought it would be hotter. I'm just gonna give that bit a go. Jalapeno on there as well. Can hardly talk. Oh wow, that is lovely. It's hot. It's hot though. Oh, but nice. It's nice and hot. So the lovely colours and the way that's melted into the dough. It honestly tastes really lovely. It is hot. The sweetness of the jalapeno and the sun-dried tomatoes and all those flavours with our sausage meat, with the San Marzano tomatoes, mozzarella, and the broccoli. I was a bit, I'm not sure about broccoli on a pizza, but it really worked. It was very sweet. I cooked it really tender. I don't like al dente broccoli. I like it to be pretty much cooked, so it went on a bit soggy cooked. It was hot, but not too hot. I could taste all the different ingredients in there, and it is absolutely delicious. And I love that sausage meat, really lovely. What's good about this box is the fact that it brings together ingredients that I wouldn't have thought worked together. It's inspiring me to make different pizza toppings basically, and that's what it's done, and it's great. Love it. Very nice. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.